Hey guys, I'm just about to head off to the train station to jump on the train down to Sydney and meet my hubby down there. So we're off to Port Douglas and Cairns for the week. So excited to get up into some tropical weather and hopefully some beautiful sunshine. So we just bought a new GoPro. So we just got the new GoPro 7 Black. So I'm gonna be doing most of the vlogging on that. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So just waiting for mum to come and pick me up. She's gonna drop me at the train station, but I'm all packed. So got my rucksack. This one is a Kathmandu. I absolutely love it. I take it on all my trips with me. So it's really good to carry around on your back for when you're doing like long trips. And then I've got my backpack with like my camera and some snacks and all of that as well.
What up, Instagram?
It's YouTube.
YouTube.
This is our hotel room for tonight in Sydney. We have an early morning tomorrow. We have a flight at 6 a.m. What time are we gonna get up?
5 to 6.
No, we're probably gonna be up at like 4:30. So we're gonna go get some dinner and then call it a night. Are you excited to get up at 4 a.m? Obviously. Do that again. What's our...
I'm trying to book our car, babe.
We've decided to hire a car.
Should I book for 3 people? Because Stephanie Mulg is going and you're not.
We've decided to hire a car for our week in North Queensland for, how much is it for 7 days?
300 or 400.
300 or 400. Or they wanted to charge us $50 per person, there's 4 of us, for just an airport transfer from the airport, Cairns airport to Port Douglas. What a joke. So we're just gonna hire a car instead. And then we can go exploring. But yeah, it's currently 9:10 and we have to get up in 7 hours, which is okay. So we're on holidays because we can nap during the day tomorrow if we're tired. But yeah.
Yeah. GoPro, end video.
You don't know the recording. You don't know the voice signal.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop.
GoPro, stop recording. Georgia. is our car for the week.
Pretty nice.
These mangroves are like prime crocodiles. No thanks.
Yeah. Keep your eyes peeled for crocodiles. They're everywhere. That's why they're fencing on this mangrove. No, probably not. Yeah, that's easier. Playing girl's choice. Hey.
Cute kitchen.
Bathrooms are like massive.
I want you to know, look at that. You can watch me scrub.
Are we flipping a coin or?
Oh my god, this is so nice.
All right, Steph, heads or tails?
Tails.
This is the inside.
It's heads. I mean,
We're going down the back. We'll see you later. Bye. No.
are we in here?
Fam day out. We're going swimming in the gorge. So we're just walking there now. Oh my god. I want to do that.
Go do it. All right, here we go. Let's do it. You look lovely in this shot, Ant.
Hey, she's gonna do
Ready?
Jump out here. No, don't
Just
go.
big jump out.
Ready? Go!
We're off on another family adventure.
It's disgusting.
Let's go, guys.
Hey.
Where are we going?
To sushi.
Oh, we're going to sushi. And then we're going,
First is first.
and then,
Do we have a key?
and then we're going to a lookout, and then might go for a swim at the beach. It's such a beautiful day.
Jared's wearing it. Should I brought my GoPro? I don't have a thing for it though. I donated it to the fine people who I'm gonna swim near a group of people.
Oh, thanks. Oh.
Gentlemen. There we go. He's got somebody. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go. Washing machine. Just your hips going around.
Work it, girl!
All right, the next thing you're gonna do, as you're away from each other. And if you like,
I wonder how warm it really is.
forward and back.
Not that warm. Out of water. No more hands.
Do the trick, like
Yeah, strength, babe.
Wait, I need to put my. Yeah, there we go.
Shoulder wrestles.
No! Yeah! I'm struggling as it is!
Be strong, babe. Be strong. Quick, get over here. Get over here. Yes!
You have glasses on at least. I'm like.
Getting tattoos. We just got tattoos done. Show me.
Fist it.
Then put them together. Good morning, happy Sunday. So today I'm just about to head down to the local markets, grab a coffee, might do a little bit of shopping, and then I think we're going on a Daintree river cruise a little bit later as well, which will be really fun. So I will take you along and show you what we do for the day. From Port Douglas to Cairns. We're here for 2 nights. So it's Tuesday today, we go home on Thursday. Crystal cascades and swimming holes.
Yeah, we'll go get some photos. Oh, Brandon's down there.
So nice.
No time like the present.
This is where we're going swimming. It's gonna be cold. Is it safe to swim here? We don't know.
Too bad.
It's moving quick.
Yeah.
But we've got nowhere to go.
Yeah, like we're going to be cold.
It's what? Not a good thing, did you say?
No, it's a good
You gotta get in trouble.
to the left.
We're making a plan in case we get swept away by the water.
Careful, Bubby.
Is it cold?
Are we doing it? We're going in.
We're doing it. That's not a beach, but it had actually one.
Stand up, stand up.
I am standing up.
When you're down, it's gonna pull you. It's like a big circle. It's sucking you back in around there, and then it's pushing back out around here. Just let it go. Let it go. And we got like 3 seconds.
Swimming hole number 2. This one looks a lot calmer.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Just walking along the Esplanade in Cairns. Insta hubby. And we're going to the night markets for dinner, so we're just wandering along until we come across them and get some food. What do you mean there's an outdoor public swimming pool?
Pretty big too, eh?
It's always here. Where we grow, baby, roll.
Just having a good luck.
Going out on the reef today. Yay! Say it again.
Swam and one of flashes.